Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You have roles and backups ready. Now open the Azure portal and navigate to Subscriptions or All Resources. Once there, locate the storage account by name or filter by type. Make sure resource locks are visible on the Overview or Locks pane and remove them if present. You need permission to delete locks. Also stop any services using the account, like VM diagnostics or web apps. Once done, verify there are no remaining shared access tokens or active mounts that would block deletion. On the storage account overview, click Delete and read the confirmation text carefully. You will be asked to type the storage account name exactly to confirm. This prevents accidental removal. If the portal reports dependent resources, review them and decide whether to delete or detach first, then retry. For subscriptions with soft delete enabled, consider disabling retention or emptying containers. Make sure you're in the correct subscription and resource group to avoid deleting the wrong asset. Then confirm to start the delete. After confirming, watch the portal notifications and the activity log for progress. Deletion can take minutes. If the operation fails, check for remaining locks, role-based access issues, or resource group policies blocking deletes. You can retry with Azure CLI or PowerShell, as storage account delete, or remove as storage account for clearer error details. One key troubleshooting tip: if a managed identity or service still holds a lease, remove the lock or stop the service, then retry. That resolves most stubborn delete errors.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.